Awning Windows Des Allemands is a service that requires precision and expertise. Our team of awning window experts in Des Allemands ensures that every installation is seamless, providing you with energy-efficient awning windows that enhance your home's aesthetic and functionality. Whether you need custom awning windows or standard vinyl awning windows, our awning window contractors in Des Allemands are ready to assist. For those seeking awning windows Des Allemands, our services are unmatched. We specialize in repairing all types of awning window parts, including awning window locks, awning window hinges, and awning window handles. Our team is equipped to handle any issue, ensuring your windows are as good as new. Custom awning windows Des Allemands are a popular choice for homeowners looking to add a personal touch to their homes. Our awning window designs Des Allemands offer a variety of styles and materials, including aluminum awning windows and vinyl awning windows Des Allemands. With our custom solutions, you can achieve the perfect look and functionality for your home. Energy-efficient awning windows Des Allemands are essential for reducing energy costs and improving comfort. Our awning window solutions Des Allemands include the latest in energy-efficient technology, ensuring your home stays cool in the summer and warm in the winter. Trust our awning window experts Des Allemands to provide the best options for your needs. Awning window maintenance Des Allemands is crucial for prolonging the life of your windows. Regular awning window cleaning Des Allemands and maintenance can prevent costly repairs and replacements. Our team offers comprehensive awning window services Des Allemands, including cleaning, inspections, and minor repairs to keep your windows in top condition. When it comes to awning window replacement Des Allemands, our team provides efficient and reliable services. We work with top awning window suppliers Des Allemands to offer a wide range of options, from traditional to modern awning window styles Des Allemands. Our replacement services ensure a perfect fit and finish for your home. Awning window hardware Des Allemands is an important aspect of window functionality and security. We offer a variety of awning window hardware options, including awning window screens, awning window frames, and awning window glass Des Allemands. Our selection ensures that you have the best components for your windows. Awning window contractors Des Allemands are available to assist with all your window needs. From initial consultation to final installation, our contractors provide professional and reliable services. We pride ourselves on being the leading awning window suppliers in Des Allemands, LA. For those in need of awning windows Des Allemands upgrades, our team provides innovative solutions. Whether you're looking to improve security with new awning window locks Des Allemands or enhance functionality with advanced awning window hinges Des Allemands, we have the expertise to upgrade your windows effectively.